Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where can you find your QR code on the Oysho application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on this profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on this QR code at the top in the My Account section, and here you can find the QR code. As you can see, by using it you will receive a commercial version of your receipt in electronic format. However, it has no tax value, it doesn't replace the receipt invoice received at the tail. So here you can turn on this I want to receive my tickets in digital format instead of on paper feature as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.